we say you can't beat a Leta? Because we are driven to positively impact the lives of our clients and our community. For our clients, it starts with the ability to buy your car on your terms, whether that's in our showroom or in your home or office. Prior to ever visiting our dealership, you can finalize pricing, your trade-in value, and even financing, so you can start enjoying your vehicle sooner. We also provide our clients peace of mind with our price match guarantee and 48-hour satisfaction guarantee, making sure you always get the best price and the best car for you. To ensure a great ownership experience for our clients, we provide our Leta loyalty program, which includes free car washes for life, service loaner vehicles, pickup and delivery service, as well as membership in our rewards program that saves you hundreds of dollars on maintenance. We also believe in giving back to our community. Personal transportation is vital to everyday living, and as an automobile dealer, we are well suited to help those struggling to afford it. So we started our own Charitable Foundation with the mission of providing safe, reliable transportation to those in need. The Frank Leta Automotive family is driven to positively impact the lives of our clients and our community, and we work hard every day to deliver on that promise. Come and experience for yourself why we say you can't beat a Leta.